Hi there, welcome to my channel where I review the latest and coolest gadgets on the market. Today I'm going to show you a product that will make your summer more enjoyable and save you money on your electricity bill. It's called Qinux Fresheck, and it's a neck-hanging cold air fan that instantly cools you down wherever you are. You might be wondering, what is Qinux Fresheck and how does it work? Well, it's a portable mini fan that hangs around your neck and blows cold air on your face and neck. It has a bladeless design that makes it 100% safe and quiet. It also has 3 adjustable speed modes that you can change with just the push of a button. Qinux Fresheck is perfect for anyone who wants to stay cool and comfortable this summer without spending a fortune on air conditioning. You can use it at home, in the office, on trips, or outdoors. It's lightweight and compact, so you can easily carry it with you anywhere. It also has a rechargeable battery that lasts for hours. I've been using Qinux Fresheck for a few weeks now, and I'm really impressed by how effective it is. It cools me down instantly and makes me feel refreshed and energized. It's also very quiet, so I can use it without disturbing others. And the best part is, I don't have to worry about tangled hair or accidents because it has no blades. If you're interested in getting Qinux Fresheck for yourself or as a gift for someone else, you're in luck because they have a special launch promotion right now. You can get 50% off if you order from their official website. Just click the link in the description below and follow the instructions to get yours. But hurry because this offer is only valid for a limited time and they're selling out fast. Don't miss this opportunity to get Qinux Fresheck at half price and enjoy a cooler and more comfortable summer. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more gadget reviews. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of Qinux Fresheck. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!